Cool. There's people. Evacuation plan. Indigo Hotel. This is 20 degrees. Let's make it warmer. Okay, goes up to 32 degrees max. That's nice. Okay. This is another door. Okay, so next room there. That's good. Interesting. So there's another door there. Coffee machine. Biscuits. Canned water. Coffee machine. TV. Soft clothing. Chair to sit on. Floor. Carpet. Around the bed area there. This here. Safe. Hair dryer. Sleeping mask. Soft clothes. Laundry. Bag. That, okay. Iron. That's good. Iron. This here is slippers. Okay. Cool. 2 pairs of slippers. Another seat, which I've covered in my coat. Seat. Table. Soft backing thing. Okay, alarm system for disabled people. Light here. Okay. Switches that off. Okay. This here. Oh, right. Oh, that's good. Switch them both off. See? Okay. Focus light. Cool. That's good, isn't it? Focus light. Put it back in. That's cool. Alarm system. Oh yeah, that's something I wanted to say. So here, it has Velcro here. I think. Velcro on this thing. Stop it. Light coming in outside. From that side, yeah. Velcro on the back of that thing. But what I wanted to say here was the way that the curtains come out. So it wraps in and then it comes over, so that stops any light. It has the board above it as well. Interestingly, there's also a light there as well. So let's see what those lights are. Alright, so those lights are linked to those lights there. Good, 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 good. So that's an LED strip. Okay, LED strip. It's good. And that light, let's see that light there. Switch that light off. Not sure to do that light. Over here, there it is. Switch there. Yep. It's good. There's a phone. Well, this is for A4. It's like a drawing board. Rhino cutting. So that must be, people used to cut on it, but that's embedded into the. So maybe it must be a design, something like that. Chair, wooden paneling. Don't think I've seen inside here. What's in there? Oh, right, we got a fridge, and the fridge is empty, so that's a missed opportunity there. Yeah. So here, yeah. So yeah, haven't seen the toilet yet. So yeah. Doesn't really, yeah, the green service is busy or not, yeah, good. It's an alarm. So this is a, yeah, so that's a raised toilet. Cool. Tiled floor. Yep. There, around there is sloped for this shower curtain. You've got 2 shower curtains. You've got a chair here as well. Good. That's good. For showering for disabled people. You've got alarm buttons. So that's really good. And it must be waterproof as well. Sorts. Has this as well. Pull down. That's a good idea to have. And it also has one there as well. Really good. So we can put things like that in place. It's got this mirror with a light around the outside of it. Let's see what this button is. Okay, that's on and off. That's cool. It also has some sustainability things. And this is, oh right, look at that. That is a focus mirror. Wow. Very focused. And to go off and on, you just put it back like that. Cool. This, I don't know what that is for. Let's see what this is. Must be a shaver or power of a shaver or something. I'm not sure what that is. There's cups here for washing your what. There's body wash. There's a relatively nice design. This is the tap. Okay. Hand towel, this towel, this towel. This must be for the ground. Some more spare towels here. Just not something damp, but yeah. And let's see, this is a sliding door. No, this is not a sliding door, this is fixed. Alright, cool. It's fixed. And yeah, it's a toilet. 2 toilet rolls. This thing on it to help you tear the toilet as well, toilet paper. It's a bit of an awkward position to have toilet paper. But yeah, okay, you have these things. I'm not sure what these are for. There's an alarm, cold air button, cold air button. This sink. Interesting. Should be. Got bin there, with a bin bag in it. Okay, socket there. There. See again. This works. Good.